In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a high-converting landing page using HubSpot. A great landing page is the cornerstone of any successful inbound marketing strategy. It's the digital handshake that introduces your audience to your offer, and when done right, it can turn casual visitors into engaged leads. Today, we're walking through a simple, step-by-step process to create a landing page that not only looks great, but performs even better. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. To begin, log into your HubSpot account. HubSpot serves as the centralized platform for managing all your inbound marketing components, including landing pages. Its tools make the process seamless, so starting here ensures everything is organized and integrated. Next, research and define your target audience. This step is crucial because understanding who your audience is, what they need, and the challenges they face will help you create a landing page that truly resonates with them. Take the time to develop a clear audience persona. This persona will guide your design choices, messaging, and overall tone, ensuring your page feels tailored and relevant. All right, now let's move into headline creation. One of the most important elements of your landing page. Start by crafting a compelling headline. Think of your headline as the first impression. It should immediately grab attention while communicating the unique value of your product or service. For example, if you're promoting a free ebook, your headline could highlight the key benefit readers will get from downloading it. Once you've created a headline, it's time to test it. Use A/B testing to experiment with different variations. This involves creating 2 or more headline options and seeing which one performs better with your audience. Testing is key because what you think might work best doesn't always align with what your audience prefers. Refine the winning headline to make it even more impactful. Now let's focus on form design, another critical component of your landing page. Design a short and concise form with 3 to 5 fields. The goal here is to make it quick and easy for visitors to fill out, reducing the chances of them abandoning the page. Only collect the essential information you need. For example, a name, email address, and perhaps one additional detail like a company name or phone number. Keep in mind, asking for too much information can feel intrusive and deter potential leads, so it's all about striking the right balance. Next up, we'll optimize your landing page for mobile devices. With mobile internet usage being so widespread, a responsive design is non-negotiable. Make sure your page adjusts seamlessly to different screen sizes, maintaining a user-friendly layout across smartphones and tablets. While you're at it, focus on improving page load times. A slow loading page can frustrate users, leading to higher bounce rates. To speed things up, optimize your images by compressing them without losing quality and minimize heavy scripts or unnecessary code. Let's move on to your call to action, or CTA. Limit the number of CTAs on your landing page to just 1 or 2 prominent options. Too many choices can overwhelm visitors and dilute your message. Your CTA should clearly guide users toward the desired action, whether that's signing up for a newsletter, downloading a resource, or making a purchase. Position it strategically and make sure it stands out visually, so it's easy to spot. Now it's time for a final check before publishing. Preview your landing page carefully. Look for any design issues, typos, or functionality errors. A professional, polished page builds trust and ensures a positive user experience. After that, test the page on both desktop and mobile devices. This step is essential because you want to ensure that the page performs equally well across all platforms, offering a seamless experience no matter how users access it. Finally, when everything looks good, go ahead and publish your landing page. Once it's live, you'll have a fully functional page designed to convert visitors into leads effectively. And there you have it. You've just learned how to build a high-converting landing page using HubSpot, from preparation and audience research to design and optimization. You now have the tools to create a landing page that performs. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.